We're going on a tour tonight, but we're walking around this afternoon before the tour, checking stuff out.
Can you smell something? It almost smells like chestnuts.
It does smell like chestnuts burning on open fire.
I don't see anybody have it.
Does smell. Let's check out Santo Domingo.
We had a walking tour planned for Palencia this evening, but things didn't quite go the way we expected. After spending most of the day back at the hotel editing video, we finally headed out in the afternoon to explore a little before the tour.
We had a tour, a guided tour scheduled at 5:30 tonight. Well, it's 5:30.
Trials and tribulations of going off season. Not enough people were canceled. We're probably the only two.
But I was okay with that because I really wanted to just hang out and chill out. We're going to be getting on a train tomorrow, and we're going to try to head to San Sebastian.
Right. We better be. We paid for a ticket.
Well, the issue is that we've been getting notices that the trains are canceled, and you have to get on a bus, then back on a train.
Oh. We'll see.
We'll see. We're standing outside our hotel,
It's right behind me.
and we're going to bring you around with us. So come on.
Let's go.
Our first stop was a small bakery just around the corner from our hotel Pastelería Polo for a local pastry and some amazing Spanish coffee.
I love a little chocolate on top.
I see that she's having her coffee first, but I'm thinking about busting into that pastry. I can't keep my eyes off it. Oh yeah, that pastry right there. Coffee or the pastry? I'm going with the pastry.
Not far from the bakery we came across Iglesia de San Pablo and the Convent of San Pablo. This church dates back to the early 13th century and is connected to the Dominican order. It was founded by followers of Saint Dominic, the same religious leader who founded the Dominican movement. Over the centuries, the church evolved architecturally, moving from its original Romanesque roots into the Gothic style that you see today. Standing here, it's a reminder that Palencia may feel like a quiet city today, but historically, it played an important role in the Kingdom of Castile. Continuing through the city, we came across Iglesia de la Soledad, which sits right next to Iglesia de San Francisco. Churches like these are everywhere throughout Palencia, and they reflect the city's long religious and cultural history. During medieval times, cities like this were filled with monasteries, convents, and churches that served not only as places of worship, but also as centers of education and community life. Walking through these streets, you can really feel how deep that history runs.
The weather here reminds me of back home in New England. I'm pretty chilly. I wasn't cold in London. I thought that was fairly mild. Let's take a look at what we're looking at now. Cultural Center. There's a park. All right, let's keep moving. Andrea's like, geez, all these stores are closed around us. No matter what time of the day, they're all closed. But I know the Bill told us, usually in Spain, stuff doesn't wake up until like 10 o'clock. So let's see.
We pass Convento de las Claras, a convent belonging to the Poor Clares. This religious order dates back to the 13th century and was founded by Saint Clare of Assisi. Convents like this played an important role in medieval Spain, often serving as places of prayer, charity, and support for the surrounding community. Continuing our walk, we came across Iglesia de San Lázaro. Historically, churches dedicated to Saint Lazarus were often associated with hospitals or places that cared for the sick and the poor. It's another reminder that religious institutions were deeply connected to daily life in cities like Palencia centuries ago. Eventually, our wandering brought us to Plaza Mayor, the heart of Palencia. Like many Spanish cities, the Plaza Mayor has long been the central gathering place for the community, hosting markets, celebrations, and civic events throughout the city's history. Right in the center of the plaza stands a statue dedicated to Alonso Baraghetti, a famous Renaissance sculptor and painter who studied in Italy and was heavily influenced by Michelangelo. Today, the square is surrounded by cafes and shops, and it's the perfect place to just sit back and watch daily life unfold. And if you're enjoying exploring Palencia with us so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and lets us know you enjoy these travel adventures. One of our favorite things to do when traveling is stop inside a local grocery store. So while walking around the plaza, we stepped inside a Carrefour grocery store to take a look around. It's actually one of the best ways to see everyday life in another country. From the butcher counter to the fresh produce to the bakery section, you can learn a lot about a place just by seeing what people are buying and eating. And honestly, grocery stores in Europe are always fascinating. As the evening started winding down, we made our way back toward the hotel along Calle, the main pedestrian street here in Palencia. What makes this street so unique are the long covered walkways supported by rows of columns. They're called arcades, and they were designed centuries ago so people could walk through the city protected from the sun and rain. Calle Mayor stretches for almost a kilometer through the center of Palencia, and these arcaded walkways run along most of one side of the street, supported by nearly 200 columns. It's one of the reasons this street is such a pleasant place to explore on foot.
Look at all the people out. Literally, they're coming out at night. They're not. No one's here during the day. I'm looking at my clock right now. So it's 6:30, and people are just starting to come out. And we have a musician playing over there.
And sometimes those unplanned moments turn out to be the best part of traveling. Tomorrow, we'll be leaving Palencia and heading to San Sebastian, Spain. San Sebastian sits along Spain's northern coast in the Basque Country and is famous for its beautiful crescent-shaped beach called La Concha, often considered one of the most beautiful urban beaches in Europe. The city is also known as one of the food capitals of the world, especially for its incredible pintexos, the Basque version of tapa. It's a place we've been really excited to visit, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that adventure. Thank you for coming along on this journey with us. We'll see you in the next port. Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.